So if let's consider this to be your graph is considered to be your origin, which corner? Bottom left, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But in your computer graphics, if this is your screen, the top left corner is considered to be your origin. First thing which you have to note. So which is the origin point over here?
Top left.
Top left. Now, and which is this axis now? Which is this axis which I am showing you as a point? This is which axis now as per our graph paper?
X-axis.
This is your x axis, correct. And which is this axis?
Y-axis.
So this is your x axis and this is your y axis, correct. And which axis do we always mention first while mentioning a coordinate?
X-axis.
We always mention the x axis, right? Now using this applet, what is our topic of discussion today?
Applet.
Applet. With the help of applet, you can make computer graphics. What you can make?
Computer graphics.
Computer graphics. Now let's say there are few functions. So if I have to draw this line, let's say from here to here, this line I have to draw. So now what are the coordinates for this line? Can you tell me? What are the coordinates of this point? Yes, tell me.
300, 100.
300, 100. Okay, correct.
And 500, 600.
Beautiful. And 500, 600, right?
Yes.
600, correct. So if you have to draw a, what was this? 300, comma 100.
100.
Clear? So if you have to draw this line, you have a function called as G is the object of the graphics class. Function is draw line and mention all the four coordinates: 300, 100, 500, 600. Am I understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have to draw this rectangle, let's say if you have to draw this rectangle, now tell me what. Now first thing first, take the coordinates of the top left corner. What you have to take? Coordinates of which point?
Top left.
Of the what are the coordinates?
200, 300.
Beautiful. 200, 300. And now what is the length of the rectangle? It is going from 200 till 800. What is the length?
800.
What is the length from 200 to 800? The length is how much?
600.
And what is the height from 300 to 600?
300.
Yeah, so function is draw rect. And from where? Starting point is what? 200, 300. So okay, the syntax is top left coordinates. So coordinate means x and y, right? And the length and the height. So what is the top left coordinates for this?
200, 300.
And what is the length and height?
comma 600,
200,
comma
300, 600, comma 300. Clear?
300.
If you want a colored rectangle, like if you want this, now what to do? Then the function will be fill rect. Function will be okay. First, which color are we filling it? By default, the color is red. By default, the color is
Red.
so.
Red.
First, you have to change the color. First, you have to change the color. What is the function for that?
Red color.
And color dot red. Color dot.
Red.
In this case, what will we do?
Yellow.
Color dot yellow. So first you have to set the. If you don't set the color, it will take black color by default. And now what is the function for the colored rectangle? G dot fill rect, and the coordinates will remain the same. 200, comma 600. Am I understood? Okay. If you wish to draw a oval, now see what I'm trying to do over here. Understand this. To draw the oval, the concept is same as the rectangle. The concept is same as the rectangle. So whenever you are trying to draw a circle or an oval, you first visualize. See, this is the default style of paint also. See, what does paint do? Tell me. Do you see this red color circle over here?
Yes, sir.
So what do the designers of paint? They first plot the what? Do you see the dashed oval? Do you see the dashed lines?
Yes, sir.
So these developers, they will visualize the rectangle first, and within that rectangle they will draw the circle. Am I clear? So if you wish to draw this circle, this oval, you should first visualize this oval will fit into which rectangle, and the function is draw oval. Function is what? G dot
We don't know.
draw oval. And what are the coordinates? Tell me. Okay, let's now do one more drill. Let's draw one more oval. Tell me, what is the code for this now? Okay, let's take this circle. Tell me, what is the code for this? So first visualize these dotted lines and visualize this as a rectangle. So what will be the code?
200, comma 100.
And the length is from 200 to 500. How much?
300.
And height is 100 to 500. How much?
400.
Yeah, exactly. So while drawing a, and if you want to color it, then if you want this to be red color, now how will you draw it? What will it be? Tell me. Fill oval. What will it be? And the coordinates are 200, comma 100. The length ranges from 200 to 500 is 300, and the height ranges from 200 to 500, again 300. For a circle, the length and breadth will be same, no? For a circle, the length and breadth will always be same. So 300, comma 300. Clear? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes, sir.
now the next thing is, if you wish to draw a arc, arc. Now let's take a different color. Let's take a different color to draw the arc. Let's take blue color. क्या हो गया? Let's take blue color, and now you have to draw an arc. Let's say ठीक है, ये ब्लू कलर का आर्क दिख रहा है. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
तो आर्क के लिए you require 6 coordinates, you require 6 parameters. The arc function takes 6 parameters. So g dot draw arc, right?
Arc.
So first the top left corner of the arc. So if this is your arc, so what is it?
100, 300.
100, 300. Okay, then the length of the arc from 100 it is spanning till 800, means how much?
700.
Then the depth of the arc. How much deep is it? From 100 it is till from 300 to 500, right? Assuming
500.
how much?
200.
200. Then the fifth coordinate will be 0. Fifth argument will be what? 0, fixed. Now tell me, how many degree has the arc spanned? From here to here, how many degrees is this? From this point to the arc is going like this to this point. How many degrees? 180. ऊपर से क्या नीचे से? तो नीचे से -180. नीचे से आया तो फिर क्या? और अगर ऊपर से आता तो क्या होता? ऊपर से आता तो, और अगर आपको ये कलर चाहिए तो इतना एरिया अगर आपको कलरफुल चाहिए था, अगर इतना एरिया यू वांट कलरफुल, तो फिर क्या होता था? Fill arc. So let's try. What I'm trying to show is this. See, what I'm trying to show you all is this. Okay, do you see this color which I have just painted now? Okay, I'll give a different color. What color is this? Purple. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
पर्पल कलर ना. अब पर्पल कलर का आर्क ड्रॉ करना है, कलरफुल आर्क. तो कैसे करेंगे बोलो? जो मेरा पर्पल कलर का एरिया है ना, सिर्फ उतना कलर करना है विद आर्क. तो कैसे करेंगे? G डॉट. ओके, यहाँ D आ गया, यहाँ D आ गया, D डॉट ड्रॉ आ गया. वो D नहीं है, वो G है. हमेशा वो G से ड्रॉ होगा. ऑब्जेक्ट का नाम हम G देंगे. Yes, tell me now, how do I draw this arc? Anyone? So draw arc or fill arc first. Tell me.
Draw arc ना.
कलरफुल है ना, तो फिल होगा.
Fill color.
ओके, अब इसका ये वाला पॉइंट लो. ये वाला पॉइंट क्या है?
200, 300. 300 वाला.
200, 300.
300.
ठीक है, 200, 300. ओके, लेंथ कितना है आर्क का? यहां से यहां तक गया है वो. तो कितना है? 200 से 100 ही गया है वो. दिस इज द लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क. दिस इज द लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क. हाउ मच? 100. और डेप्थ कितना है उसका? डेप्थ भी 100 ही है.
हाँ सर.
वो यहाँ से यहाँ तक यानी डेप्थ 200 है, 100 से 300 गया है वो। कितना डेप्थ है? और फिर फिफ्थ आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑलवेज 0। और कितना डिग्री है? यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना डिग्री गया ये?
45।
देखो यहाँ से यहाँ तक 9, यहाँ से यहाँ तक 90 डिग्री होता था। 90 would have been over here. This has gone to around at least 80 degrees. समझा ये? When you practice it, you'll be comfortable. Okay, there's one more thing. If I wish to draw a polygon, let's say if I wish to draw a triangle, let's say triangle है, मुझे ये ड्रॉ करना है, तो ये ट्राइंगल if I wish to draw this triangle, tell me. So you can draw it using lines also, you can draw it using, draw 3 lines, just draw, but फिर वो फिल नहीं होगा उसमें। तो उसके लिए एक फंक्शन है पॉलीगॉन। क्या फंक्शन है? सो पहले तो इस ट्राइंगल के कोऑर्डिनेट्स को मार्क करो आप। तो ये कोऑर्डिनेट कौन सा है?
500,
हाँ
400,
400, 100, yes or no?
100, हाँ 400,
and I'll mark them in red so that वो distinguish हो जाए। I'll mark them in red color ताकि you can distinguish them. Okay, ये कोऑर्डिनेट कौन सा है?
200, 500. सर 200 कहाँ से?
x एक्सिस 200 है ना, x एक्सिस 200 है।
हाँ
ये वाला पॉइंट ट्रायंगल, और ये वाला पॉइंट कितना है?
600, 500. 600, 500.
600, 500, करेक्ट।
Yes, sir.
So now make a array of the x coordinates, integer make a array of the x coordinate, so let's name it x, और ये array है। और अभी x coordinates क्या है बोलो जल्दी जल्दी। 400, कम clockwise, 400 है, फिर 600 है, और फिर 200 है। ठीक है, अब ऐसे ही y array बनाओ।
100, 500, 500.
क्या है?
100,
500 और 500, ठीक है। अब इसको फंक्शन क्या रहेगा इसका? g डॉट ड्रॉ polygon. You can increase it, you can have these are 3 sides, no, you can have 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides. Draw polygon. x coordinates कौन से array में है? y coordinates कौन से array में है? और साइज और इसके कितने पॉइंट्स, कितने एजेस, ये ऐसा हो गया। एंड इफ यू वांट टू कलर इट देन
set color.
yeah, first you will set the color, g dot set color, and while setting color का spelling क्या है?
Color is green.
तो you see the font, color is always capital, and I will draw. Am I understood so far, guys, with the functions?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Is
sir.
line clear, rectangle clear, oval clear, arc clear,
Yes, sir.
polygon clear? So now we will try to do this. Okay. Okay. Uh, what do you see on the screen? Hello.
Question.
क्या है?
Write an applet application in Java for designing temple.
And this is the temple. So can you? So what is the flag? Flag के लिए क्या use करेंगे?
Rectangle.
Draw rect. ये पोल के लिए,
Line.
रूफ के लिए,
Triangle.
और ये हॉल के लिए,
Rectangle.
और डोर के लिए.
Rectangle.
ठीक है. तो ऐसा हम लोग कोडिंग करेंगे. तो ये कोड में I'll just show it to you all. I have it written because the call is coming to an end. So guys, what do you all see on the screen?
Notepad. Public noun.
क्या दिख रहा है अभी? हाँ, तो whenever you are doing applet, make a class which will be public. The class will always be,
Public.
and the name of the class you can give whatever name of your application is. And okay, first what to import? So you have to import the applet class. You have to import what?
Applet class.
Applet class कौन से पैकेज में है?
Applet.
java.applet कौन से पैकेज में है?
Java.
तो ये स्मॉल a का मतलब क्या है? स्मॉल applet मतलब
पैकेज में
वो पैकेज का नाम है. और कैपिटल A बोले तो ये क्या है? क्लास का नाम है. ठीक है. और AWT के अंदर ग्राफिक्स क्लास है. कौन सी? ये पैकेज है ना java.awt, इसके अंदर कौन सी क्लास है?
Graphics class.
Graphics. So we require these two classes, so we have to import them. So you can also just do simply, to make your life simple, you can just do this also. What you can do? Tell me.
Star and symbol.
So java.applet.star, java.aw.star. Okay, your class will always compulsory extend which class?
Applet class.
And that in that you have to override which function? Which function do we have to override?
Graphics. Graphics.
नहीं, फंक्शन का नाम क्या है? फंक्शन का नाम
Paint.
पेंट. और उसके अंदर आर्ग्यूमेंट क्या है? ग्राफिक्स क्लास का ऑब्जेक्ट का नाम क्या है? Is this understood so far? Now I am setting the color as red first. कलर क्या सेट किया? फिर ये fill rect है. ये fill rect क्या है? पहला वाला फ्लैग है. यहाँ पर हमने टेम्पल का रूफ बनाने के लिए 3 लाइन ड्रॉ किए हैं. क्या ड्रॉ किए हैं रूफ बनाने के लिए? तो ये टेम्पल का लेफ्ट रूफ है, ये राइट रूफ है, और ये दोनों को कनेक्ट कर रहा है. यू कैन यूज व्हाट इंस्टेड ऑफ दीज 3 लाइंस? व्हाट यू कैन यूज?
Polygon.
पॉलीगॉन. फिर ये रेक्टेंगल क्या है?
House.
वो उसका हॉल है, टेम्पल का हॉल है. और फिर ये रेक्टेंगल क्या है? उसका
Door.
डोर है. ठीक है. इज दिस क्लियर सो फार? हाउ विल यू सेव दिस प्रोग्राम एज? By the name of the class which is public. By the name of the class which is public. How will you save this program as?
Paint.
Class, the name of the class which is public.
Temple..
So how will you save it as? temple.java. Then you will compile it, yes or no? And after compiling, how to run this program? To run this program, you have to write a HTML file. You have to write a. Do you all see this?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, let's going back to our applet. What is the length of our applet? What is the length? 1000. And what is the height of our applet?
700.
So you have to make a HTML file. What you have to make? In that HTML file you have to write which code? Which tag you have to use?
Applet.
Applet tag, right? And this applet tag will have 3 attributes. Will have how many attributes?
3.
So what is the code? Code is the name of the class file. Code is the name of the.
Class file.
Height is the height of the applet and width is the width of the applet. Clear? Close this applet tag and then close the applet tag also. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Clear? Body close, HTML close. This is simple HTML code. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In the body, put this. Am I understood? So how many files do we have to maintain for this now? Tell me. Hello?
5.
How many files?
3.
Which all?
Java file, class file, and then HTML.
HTML file. And then you will run the HTML file. Then what will you run? You will run the.
HTML.
To run it, do you see the black screen?
Yes, sir.
Do you see it? And the tag is applet viewer. The code is applet. To run the applet viewer and run the HTML file. Run which file?
HTML file.
Run the HTML. So what have I written to execute the applet? Tell me.
Applet viewer temple.html.
And as I hit enter, you will see the applet. Do you see the applet?
Yes, sir.
दिख रहा है applet दिख रहा है क्या?
हाँ, sir.
आया ना आउटपुट दिख रहा है ना आप लोगों को? तो ये फ्लैग है, ये टेम्पल का रूफ है, ये टेम्पल का हॉल है, ये टेम्पल का डोर है. Yes, no, maybe is the order clear? So let's just recap it. First, what will you do? First, you will write the temple.java code. How many files do we have to import? Tell me.
2 files.
Which all?
Applet and AWT.
Applet dot import all the classes in the applet package. Import all the classes in the AWT package. Clear? Write a public class. This keyword is mandatory. This keyword is very, very, very important. Which keyword?
Public.
Public. The class which you are making as applet should be public compulsorily. And now extends which class?
Applet.
Applet. And then in that we have to override which method?
Paint. Public.
And that will be public void paint, which will take argument as graphics class object G, and then write all your methods over here. Close it. Finish. Compile this. This will give you what? After compilation, it will give you
2 files.
temple.class, right?
Yes.
And then prepare this HTML file to run the applet. So this is the content of the HTML file. You have to write the opening applet code, which has 3 attributes: code, height and width, and then the closing applet. And to run it, you have to type this. What do you have to type to run it?
Applet viewer.
And which file to run?
HTML file.
The HTML file. Clear? Understood?
Yes.
Now I'm giving you all a task. I want you all to do this for me. Do you see this? Do you see this smiley face?
Yes, sir.
So the face is what? draw oval. The ears,
Oval.
eyes,
Oval.
fill oval.
Fill oval.
The nose,
Line.
the smile,
Arc.
arc. Try doing it, okay? And send me photos on WhatsApp. You want to see how I have done it? If you want to see my smiley face, I'll just show it to you. Do you see it? दिख रहा?
Yes, sir.
ये ऐसे अलग अलग फ्लेवर में टाइम पास किया था हमने. उसको रिंग्स भी दिए थे, ईयर रिंग्स भी दिए थे, बाल भी लगाए थे उसको. तो ये बाल क्या है?
Arc है.
आर्क है. फिल आर्क है, ड्रॉ आर्क है.
Fill arc.
तो ये उसका, तो ये आर्क जो है वो ड्रॉ ओवल है, और जो उसका जो प्यूपिल है वो फिल ओवल है.
Fill oval है.
ठीक है? तो ट्राई टू एक्सपेरिमेंट विद दिस. चलो, टेक केयर एंड प्लीज शेयर योर आउटपुट्स or error message, whatever you get them.